This is Morgan here from Fletcher Trading. Today I'm going to be showing you a simple strategy that we here at Fletcher Trading use on a daily basis. If you want to stay up to date with trades that we're currently taking or want to see more videos like this one, then head over to our Telegram group. The link for that will be in the description below. So I like to start my analysis on the 4-hour chart. So on screen here I have the 21 and the 8 exponential moving averages. So on this chart here I'm just looking for the trend, and I'm also going to look for some support and resistance areas. So as you can see here, the 8 is above the 21, so we're currently in an uptrend. So after establishing the trend, I'll drop down to the 1-hour chart. This will just give me a better idea of the support and resistance areas. And as you can see here, we've also got a nice descending channel, which I've marked here. So after looking at all this, I will then drop down to the 15-minute chart. This is where we're going to do our trading. So on the 15-minute chart, I like to use some different indicators. I've got the 200 exponential moving average, and I've also got the 50 exponential moving average. And then I've just got two custom indicators. I have my daily pivot points. This is just a form of support and resistance. This is perfect for setting your stop loss and take profit. And then I also use the Elder algorithm. This algorithm is great for your entries on the 15 and 5-minute time frames. So as you can see here, if we just scroll back a little bit so we can see, we're currently looking at the 23rd of June. So price has just recently rebounded from the lower side of this channel, and then we get our first signal here. This would be a perfect entry as it's a bounce off the daily pivot point as well. So if we would have entered this position, we'd have most likely got out of it at the highs here for around 50 pips, or you could also hold on to it till the top of the channel. So when price reaches the top of the channel here, we also get a buy signal. It wouldn't really be recommended to enter this position as you're at the top of the channel, and if you would have entered, you would have captured something around 30-40 pips before price started to move down again. But after price comes down from the upside of this channel, we get some really nice sell positions here. So we're currently on, we're in a downtrend on the 4-hour chart, which is marked by this vertical line here. And we are in a descending channel coming from the top line here. So these are perfect sell positions. And we get some really nice signals from the Elder algorithm here. You could have seen something around 50 pips on each one of these moves at least. So you can see here, we have around 80 pips on this one, and about the same for that one, and around 50 for this one again. So after bottoming out here, we have a nice double bottom, and then we get a false signal as price comes above the 200 EMA. And then we have another nice signal here as we move into an uptrend marked by the vertical line. So if you want to get your hands on these indicators, then you can head over to the website fletchtrading.co.uk. If you want to check out trades that we're currently taking, then the link for the Telegram group will be in the description below.